NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about GATE 2021 exam solutions from node analysis concepts. This video will be very useful for electrical engineering students and electronics communication engineering students and instrumentation students. The first question is asked in GATE 2021 Triple Department examinations. Two more question. The second one is asked in EC department questions. From the instrumentation, there is no questions from node analysis concepts. So we will discuss one by one. So this first question. In this question, objective is to find this value of beta when Vy is equal to 0. Okay. For these questions, we may solve this problem by using mesh analysis concept as well as the node analysis concepts. But we have to check which one of the analysis is easiest. Okay. If we use mesh analysis, there is 1, 2, 3. There is 3 individual. But if we use the node analysis, only 2 nodes. Okay, one of the node value is given as 0, so we may use node analysis. It will be easiest compared with mesh analysis. If we go for mesh analysis, definitely it will be a difficult one. It will take long time, okay, during the examination. So try this concept using node analysis concepts. Okay, refer this node analysis concept. Already we discussed the node analysis concepts video. I attached this node analysis concepts video in the description of the video. So refer this video. Okay. If you refer this video, then only this video will be easily understandable. Okay. So first, assume in the node analysis concept, we have to assume node voltage is higher than other end. So okay, so current flow from the node. Okay. So here this I1, I2, I3. We have to assume all this current flow from the node. Okay, this is first node. Similarly, we have to assume in this next node also. Here I4, I5 is I6. If more than 2 branch, then only it is a node. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 branches, more than 2 branches, so it will be one of the node. Here also 1, 2, 3 branches, so it will be one of the node. But here there is no branch, only 2 branch. Okay. First apply Kirchhoff's current law at node Vx. Sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Here all the currents are outgoing current, so I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. Find I1 current. I1 current flow from here. So Vx minus 6 divided by 1k. Because I is equal to V1 minus V2 into R. V1 minus V2 is equal to voltage across the resistors. Okay. So I2, what will be the value of I2? I2 is equal to Vx. This is ground potential. So Vx minus 0 by 4 ohm. This is I2 value. What will be the I3 value? Vx minus Vy divided 2 ohm is equal to 0. Given Vy is equal to 0 is given. Substitute the value. So we will get Vx minus 6 plus Vx by 4 plus Vx by 2 is equal to 0. Simply with this equation, we can get Vx equal to 3.45 volt. Okay. But our objective is to find V beta value. So apply Kirchhoff's current law at node Vy. Sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Here there is no incoming current, all the currents are outgoing current. So I4 plus I5 plus I6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now find the value I4, I5, I6. Here I4, here there is a residue command. So Vy minus Vx divided by 2. This is the I4 value. What is the value of I5? There is no residue command, only current. This the I5 value is directly given, but I5 and 2 amps are in opposite direction. So I5 is equal to minus 2 amps. Okay, I5 is equal to minus 2 amps. The nodal value of I6, the resistive command is given. So here the voltage Vy minus beta Vx minus 0 by 3. Now substitute Vy value is equal to 0. We will get minus Vx by 2 minus 2 minus beta Vx by 3 is equal to 0. Already we know that Vx value 3.45. Substitute here. Now in this equation only is unknown parameter is beta. Simply with this equation we can get the beta value. Beta is equal to minus 3.24. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Next we will discuss second problem. This question asked in GATE EC department. We may use these concepts using mesh analysis and node analysis concepts also, but node analysis is only easiest one. So here number of nodes. This is one of the node. This is one of the node, and this is one of the node. 3 node. Vx, Vy, Vz. And we know that node analysis concepts. If there is no element between the 2 nodes, then the node voltage will be same. So it will be considered as same. So Vx equal Vy. Now there is 2 unknown parameter. But if you use the mesh analysis, there will be 3 unknown parameters. So difficult. It will be difficult one. Okay. So our objective is to find V naught. V naught is equal to Vy. Okay, V naught is equal to Vy minus 0 is equal to V naught. So Vy. V naught is equal to Vy. We know that Vy is equal to Vx. So find the any one of the parameter Vx or Vy or V naught. It will be same. By the node analysis, first step is to we got to assume all the current flow from out from the nodes. So assume that this is I1, I2, I3. In this node, this is the same node. Vx is equal to Vy. Okay. So this current is I4, this is I5. In this node, this is I6, I7, I8. Yeah, assumed. Now apply case of current law node Vx, we will get I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. Soft incoming current is equal to form of outgoing current. Here I2 is equal to apply case of current law junction Vy, this junction, we will get I2 is equal to I4 plus I5. I2 is equal to I4 plus I5. So substitute in this equation, we will get I1 plus I4 plus I5 plus I3 is equal to 0. Because we cannot find the I2 parameter. There is no element in this current, in this branch. So we cannot find the I2 value. That is why we find this current like this function I2 is equal to I4 plus I5. Now we may find all these parameters. I1 is equal to Vx minus 4 minus 0 divided by 1k. This is I1 value. I4, we cannot find the I2 value because there is no resistive component. But we can find the I4. Vx minus 0 divided by 1k. I5, Vx, Vy is equal to Vx, Vx minus Vz divided by 1k. What is I3? I3 is directly given, but I3 and 6 milliamps current source is in opposite direction. So I3 is equal to minus 6 milliamps. Well, this is also milliamps, kilo milliamps. So it will be milliamps. Okay, is equal to 0. Now simply this equation will get 3Vx minus Vz minus 10 is equal to 0. Let us take this is one of the equation. Next, apply Kirchhoff's current law at node Vz. So I6 plus I7 plus I8 is equal to 0. We can find all the parameter. I6 is equal to is directly given. I6 is directly given 2 milliamps. The current direction is same. So the positive I is equal to 2 milliamps. So 2. I7 Vz minus Vx divided by 1k. Okay, is also milliamps. Plus I8 and this current direction are same. So directly given 6 milliamps to 6. We will get Vz is equal to Vx minus 8. This is the second equation. To find the Vx, substitute this Vz in this first equation. So now the equation will becomes 3Vx minus, substitute Vz value, minus Vx plus 8 minus 10 is equal to 0. We will get 2Vx is equal to 2, Vx equal to 1 volt. This is the answer. For the discussion, NCM Learning Center have a WhatsApp group. Just join in the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, just post in this WhatsApp group. You can get the solutions from further doubts. Okay. The WhatsApp group link is attached in the description of the video. And also NCM Learning Center have an Android app. In this Android app have many materials. So just download it and install. This will be useful for those who are preparing for government examination. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.